Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel today. Today we're gonna be baking. Let's go bake, because we're in a rush.
It's you and me, it's what you need, I got it now. I know right now. You're not the one when it's said and done. It's okay, baby, nothing really lasts forever. For now, let's run towards the sun. Think it'd be better if you don't let me go. While you make my heart beat faster when we get close. Just take my hand, baby, let's lose control. Even if it's a disaster, I got it now.
I get dirty thoughts about you. They get worse when I'm without you. Does that mean that I'm going to hell? Or are you thinking them as well? Whoa. When I'm lonely, all the corners of my mind start racing. Things that should be kept in the basement. Spend my time trying to erase them. But when you hold me in the fantasy, it's so convincing. I shouldn't think the things I'm thinking, but now I've gone and let them sink in. The more that I push them away, the more that you're stuck in my brain, the more I mentally undress. Like confess, I get dirty thoughts about you. They get worse when I'm without you. Does that mean that I'm going to hell? Or are you thinking them as well? But recently I just don't care. I'm a new bitch with a new style. Got a new car and a new house, and I'm dyeing my hair. And I finally feel alive now, and I wanna bleach my eyebrows. And now I just don't care. I don't care. And I don't care. I don't.
Every time he leave me alone, he always tell me he miss it. He wanna F-F-R-E-A-K-F-F-R-E-A-K-A-K.
Chase a chick, never chase a bitch. Chase no bitch. Mask on, fuck it, mask on. Mask on, fuck it, mask on.
Sticks and stones may break my bones, but the drugs won't hurt me, the drugs won't hurt me. Ex-girlfriend keeps calling my phone, but the bitch can't hurt me, so I'm not worried. All alone, did it on my own, so I show no mercy, I show no mercy. With my bros, but I got my post, screaming, please don't urge me, please don't urge me.
Won't turn my head, they can't stab me in my back. 1 man, 2 man, 3 man down. Put that tater on that gun, I'ma blaze you with no sound. I won't chase you.
Legalize nuclear bombs.
Swag Messiah. Bees make honey.
Turn the AC on. Turn the AC on. Turn the AC on. What you doing, babe? Look, I'm trying to handle that ass. Damn, I'm trying to handle that ass.